Hey,
Hey,
how'd it go?
good. They tweaked my readers so it's not so blurry on my right eye.
Did you try the other style?
Yes.
And?
No. It was like I was on drugs or something. I couldn't see. I couldn't focus. It was awful.
All done.
Yay.
Ballots mailed.
3, 2, 1, action.
What you gonna do, Kel?
I'm gonna use my new straighters. My colanders.
Those are kind of cool.
Yeah, they are. Because we're getting a smaller kitchen area, I thought I better get something that will fit in there. And then when I'm done, they're flat.
Oh, look at that.
I know, isn't it cute? And it's red.
Did you put them on our Amazon store?
I did. And they come in a 2-pack, and it's really great. And they're dishwasher safe, which is really cool.
What else you got there?
I got my nesting pans.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're induction ready, so I can use it on my induction stove, and it's a universal lid, so it fits on these three. Let me take. This is a 1 quart. This is a 2 quart and a 3 quart, and it fits on each one like that. It doesn't fit on this or this. And it all has one handle, which I might get another one, I'm not sure yet, but I really love this. Just stick it in here like this, and it's done.
Cool.
Yeah,
You got those on Amazon too?
I did, and it's in our store. But what I really like about this is that there's no handles in the way, and there's only one lid, which is super cool.
So you can pack them all up?
So I can pack it all up, and this is how it fits.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it's a small space.
Yeah.
You put the lid in and upside down.
Cool.
Yeah. It's very cool.
And you put those on our Amazon store too?
I did. And for the price, I was looking for another brand. I think it was called Magma. And they're $250 or more. And I really don't have the budget for that. And these are heavy duty and they really work well. I'm really happy with them, especially since they're dishwasher safe.
Cool.
Yeah.
So what are we making tonight?
Southwestern spaghetti.
I like Southwest spaghetti.
I know you do. That's why I'm making it.
Okay, so what are you doing first?
I am boiling water.
On your induction cooktop.
I am.
So you make just like regular spaghetti?
I do. Yeah. You make spaghetti, you drain it, you put ground beef in the bottom of the pan. I have here. I always try to prep food and then have it in the freezer so whenever I need it, it's ready. So I would put the ground beef in, put in my salsa, mix it all up, put my corn in, and then mix it with the spaghetti.
You put corn in your spaghetti?
I do, which makes it Southwestern with the salsa.
Ah.
So it gives it a little kick, I guess. And I have beans that I have not taken out yet. I will put these in there also. So it's ground beef, spaghetti noodles, salsa, beans. This is a mixed beans, 3-bean blend. Or you could just do black beans. And about maybe a third of a cup of corn, or frozen corn, or any kind of corn you want. And that's it. It's very simple, very good. I make a little bit more so you can have another dinner down rest at the end of the week. So I'll take the beans and use my new colander. What I like about this is that the holes are small, so things don't fly through it like spaghetti. It won't do as It won't go through as easy. So I always drain my beans. Let them drain. Wait for the spaghetti. So far I really like this. The handles stay cool, which is really important. And it works really well on my induction plate, so I'm very, very pleased with it. Yay! It's perfect. Okay, let that sit. Put about a pound of meat, ground beef, in. If you love sausage, you can do like the churros sausage. But I like ground beef. Or ground turkey would be good too, or chicken. Whatever kind you like. So I get that going. Salsa. I don't have very much, and I have to go to the grocery store to get more, so I'm using two different kinds. I'm using the regular Conte, and I'm going to use the salsa verde, which I've done before and it was pretty good. So I just mix this up. Heat it up. Toss in corn. Maybe a quarter of a cup. Put in however much you want. Let that heat up. Use my tongs. Put a little in. And mix. Now I add the beans. And again, you can use any beans you want. I like this because it's just a blend of 3 different ones. It gives it color. And then we'll let this sit and warm through. Warm the beans up. And that's it.
That's all there is to it, huh?
That is it. How simple is that? Are you hungry? It smells so good.
It does smell good.
Yep. It's what's for dinner.
Good morning. It's time to leave Newport, Washington. We've been here a little over a week and a half. It's kind of our favorite park in the Spokane area while we visit family and get doctor's appointments done. They're closing for the season today. So we've got to button up and be out of here. I'm just putting away the TV antenna now. It's a nice morning, beautiful morning. Weather can't be better for a travel day. So we're gonna button everything up. You ready to go? Alrighty, we're here,
We are.
and look what we did. We voted.
We're voting today.
We're gonna mail in our mail-in ballots. Did you guys vote?
Hope so.
Yeah. So we made it to our kind of RPI park.
Yeah, the one we come in when Newport kicks us out.
So we got in yesterday, and we took our son out for his birthday, for a birthday dinner.
Happy birthday, CJ.
And yeah, just had a great evening.
We did.
Today is packed. You've got a doctor's appointment. I've got my phone died. My phone died. I mean, it just died. Went black. Boom.
I went to try to text and it was not there.
Yeah.
Nothing was there.
So I got to go start shopping for another phone today.
Yes.
We get to mail in our ballots.
Yes. And pick up groceries.
And pick up groceries.
At Walmart.
Yep.
Pick up. I'm tired already. I'm kidding. Busy day. This is going to be a busy week.
It is.
Before we leave.
Okay.
And head south. Hi.
Hi there.
What's the name on the order?
Stockman. Put these on top once I close it. Okay, perfect. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too. That feels like bread. Load them up, girl.
Okay. Oops.
Alley-oop.
Just be careful when you open it. When we get back.
They don't know Tetris like we know Tetris.
I know.
He just threw them in.
I know. I heard the big heavy ones going clunk, crushing stuff. I'm like, ah. Yeah, this is bread. This is true.
All right. Are we ready?
I think we're full.
Okay. Down the road we go.
This is what it looks like when we're full. Got groceries to last for a while.
All right, let's see if we can get out of here and get this stuff home so we can get it put away.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm gonna look on this side. I think you're far from that electrical thing, but just in case. You look good over here.
All right, we made it part way.
We're in Montana.
Yes, we are, and it is
Wet and cold.
wet and cold.
It's raining right now.
Yeah, we came across the pass yesterday, and there's some white stuff up on the higher elevation, so it's getting to be fall.
I don't like it.
We used to call that termination dust in Alaska.
Yeah.
I don't know what they call it in Montana, but it's white.
It's not good.
No. So we're in the mid 40s in Superior, Montana. It is a beautiful place.
Oh, it is.
More
It
about
smells
this,
amazing.
yeah, more about this place as we progress down the road on our journey. But this is a place we dropped our Can-Am off here, and we came back. We're staying a couple of nights. We had to go buy a couple of new chairs for our coach, our new coach.
Yes, we did it. I'm so excited. But we won't get it until spring.
Yeah,
So winter's gonna look like well,
yeah.
lawn chairs.
Lawn chairs in our new coach for a few months. Yeah, we ordered a few new chairs. They won't be here until for a couple, what'd they say, 3 months, October, November, December, they won't be here till like January, and I'm not gonna come back and get them in
No,
January.
they're gonna hold them for us, so that's good.
Yeah, so we'll come back in the spring and pick them up. But we ordered our new chairs. We got a Costco run done. We
Woohoo!
topped off the fuel on the truck,
I love Costco.
and we're gonna take off tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're sad to leave Spokane.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard. It was harder this year.
Yeah, it was pretty tough.
Yeah.
You know, my mom and dad are still in Spokane. Our son is still in Spokane. Our daughter and her family are still in Spokane. My sister and her daughter are in Spokane. We have a niece in Spokane. Our church family,
Oh, I know.
we got to see our church family again, you know, before we took off. And so that was really nice. And they're so supportive of us. And we really appreciate that. But
I love you.
it's time to hit warmer weather.
Oh, I am ready.
Yeah.
I don't even care if it's 100 degrees.
Yeah, this is a wet cold. This is a wet cold we're in right now, and it's supposed to get real windy tonight, and so we're going to hit the road tomorrow and head on down the road. So hope you enjoyed the cooking segment.
Yeah, I'll
That's-
do more. I'll get better as I go.
That's a really easy meal when you're on the road.
Yes, a lot of my meals are fast and one pot wonders is what I call them.
Yeah. You know, nothing extravagant, but they are quick, they are easy, and they are good.
So, yeah, and they're inexpensive. which is
So
good.
take a look at our website. We're going to hit the road tomorrow and head down, head south. We're hoping to be in Yuma by this coming weekend.
Yay.
We've got a Harvest House we're going to stop at, so we'll let you know how that goes. And tomorrow we're going to hook up the Can-Am and double tow.
That's right. The circus is coming to town.
All right, so thanks a lot for coming along, you guys. We really appreciate it. And in the meantime,
It all starts with an idea.
we'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.